We keep exercising our minds for a better life. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, for they shape your resilience and strength. Cherish every moment, for life's beauty lies in its fleeting nature. Cultivate gratitude daily, for it transforms hardships into blessings and fuels positivity. Pursue your passions relentlessly, for they ignite the fire within and give life meaning. Connect deeply with others, for shared experiences enrich the journey and foster love. Believe in yourself fiercely, for self-confidence is the cornerstone of achievement. Stay curious and open-minded, for learning is the fuel that propels personal evolution. Dare to dream boldly, for it's the first step towards turning aspirations into reality. Practice self-care diligently, for nourishing your mind, body, and soul is essential for vitality. Remember, your journey is unique, so embrace it fully and live authentically. In the pursuit of our dreams and aspirations, it is often the act of persistence that separates the triumphant from the discouraged. To persist is to endure, to push forward despite obstacles, doubts, and setbacks. It is a testament to the strength of our resolve and the depth of our commitment. When faced with challenges, it is easy to succumb to doubt and fear, to question whether our goals are attainable. However, it is precisely in these moments that persistence becomes our greatest ally. It is the unwavering belief in our abilities and the refusal to surrender that propels us forward. Persisting towards our goals requires patience and resilience. It demands that we remain steadfast in the face of adversity, that we learn from our failures and use them as stepping stones toward success. It is not a journey for the faint-hearted, but rather for those who are willing to persevere no matter the odds. Every setback is an opportunity to reaffirm our commitment, to reevaluate our strategies, and to emerge stronger than before. It is through persistence that we transform obstacles into opportunities and setbacks into stepping stones. It is the fuel that drives us forward, even when the path ahead seems uncertain. In the pursuit of our goals, there will inevitably be moments of doubt and despair. Yet, it is precisely in these moments that we must dig deep, summoning the strength to press on. For it is not the absence of challenges that defines us, but rather our response to them. So let us embrace the power of persistence, knowing that with each step forward, we bring ourselves closer to our dreams. Let us refuse to be deterred by setbacks or discouraged by naysayers. For it is through unwavering determination and relentless perseverance that we turn our aspirations into reality. I thank everyone who watched this video, subscribe to our channel, and like it to help us.